everyone, this is Gina from Local Technology. Nice to see you again. Today I'm going to bring you some good news. Local update new products again. This product is metal fridge sticker. Now let me give you a brief introduction of our new products. As you can see, there are 3 different kinds of shape: the round shape, heart shape, and square shape. As we all know, traditional fridge stickers are made of MDF ceramic, but metal fridge sticker is a totally new type. As you can see, this fridge sticker is very simple, but feels really good. Most importantly, it has magnets at the back of the sticker, so it is very easy for you to use it, not just on your refrigerators, but it can use in anything with metallic. All will work well. Now let me show you how to make the DIY fridge stickers. You will need to use the following materials: aluminum sheet, fridge stickers, and a well-designed sublimation paper, a cover paper, and a heat tape, a graph. Now let me show you how to make it. Now everything is ready. Today we will use 180 degrees and 40 seconds to clean it, just like most of the aluminum sheets do. Use a cover paper. Time is up. I already stick them on the products. They are very nice, right? I love it so much. Well, some people might worry about the magnets of our fridge sticker. Actually, they are very strong. Now let me show you a test. Today we will use our lovely tin pencil box to make the test. Let's stick the products on the tin box. See, that's very perfect. That's very nice. Just a few minutes, you will have a very nice DIY fridge stickers. I hope you will like it. For more information, please contact our sales team. Thank you for joining us. Bye!